Measure up your case with the surgery. They measure up how much bottom you're going to put on. They measure how much leg, how much hip, or how much size. And I'm telling them, give me the best. Somebody said, put spice, plastic. It's imaginary spice.
Well, people before we did pass on what would have been some bad news about Spice. So since we hear something that's in the opposite right now, we are pass it on same way. Me hear from some sources say Gracie is okay, say Spice is okay, say something did go down, but apparently she pulled through or whatever happened it is, but she's much better now and she's okay. So I must have passed that on to see. And you know with them some you have to be careful because social media love kill off people and say negative thing about people when nothing no go so. You know, I regular them thing they go down. So again, word is she's okay. So we just want to send enough respect and blessings to that and thing. And we just pass that on to the second the pass on the other news. Big up on yourself, see? Protection. I go run go catch my local train here now. Down. Man.
The substance is acid and caustic soda. You read for the class.
Substance is acid and caustic soda, which grazed the babies.
Which grades the baby what?
Which grazed the baby ospogos, osopogos.
Mr. Now pronounce the word. Spell the word.
OESOPHAGUS.
What does that spell?
Osipo.
Spice name. Because I just love mix up. Somehow now that's some there. All right. Miss Shame. Girl, my shame tree dead. Good evening, tape measure spice. Them there you measure up your case with the surgery. They measure up how much bottom you're gonna put on, they measure how much leg, how much hip, or how much size. And I'm telling them, give me the belt mash. I'm telling the royal crazies that I'm doing girl power. Beat them spice have a beat out them ass. Spice a Queenie, me alright. Me know you're alright, good girl. Right now, me a picture your Gracie. Yeah, black woman. Spice must set for heal it up. Spice, listen. Then they over here so I can't call up your name as the all mother of evil. But you know I love you and them want bring some prayers for you. But prayers cannot be too much because I always pray for you, Spice, because you stand well for Jamaica. So from one strong queen to another queen, we're a queen in the deck. Spice said, only to mix up and bagger. Spice said, only can pray for her because the prize is okay. Spice said, for telling us that only not so sorry for her and put on a salt mode panan. Spice said, all our true spicers that support her and spread. Somebody said, put spice plastic. It's imaginary spice. Like Queen, I eat that. What if somebody send me money? When I hear me saying if stop mind me, somebody just sent me £13. That's all like 20 US or somebody from US that stop mind me. Because next thing tomorrow I go up on the live when I go to Queenie the Depot live and chat me. Spice, them say, I'm not pay them no mind later. All right, Gracie. To God be the glory. Gracie is okay. And give us the victory to be strong again. Praise the Lord. Come on. Praise the Lord. Let the world pray for Spice. Praise the Lord. Praise the Lord. And give Spice some strength. Oh, praise to the royal, to Jesus, my Lord. So we all pray a prayer and also Spice to be strong again.
She's strong. What do you mean ask again?
It's more strength we I give her. You hear that, Spice? Spice said, pull up. Spice said, big up all the Queenie Rider crazy them. Spice said, she don't want to hear her voice. Spice said, Queenie, remember I told her we are queen, so just send her the message to my mama. Gonna get it? Bye, Spice. Mwah. Queenie. See them I send blue out the fair. Oh, bless her. She gonna be alright if nothing goes so. Oh, no, I'm not lying. I call her imaginary. Listen and you will learn. Okay?
They don't need to know everything.
I talked to Spice just now, imaginary. You understand? Big up blue ear lady. Spice a nice girl, a hot girl. Sexy girl. You want good, you know that for run. Her nose I run, not to the woman. Leave the woman, she soon blow out the nose. You know, sometimes the nose I run and you want to blow it, but you're not at the right spot. It's not the right time, so you just catch it. Who know if a breeze, when you know I run water, you know if a breeze catch it and just, Terrell, what happened? Terrell, dash more. Terrell, what happened? Oh, God, my friend. I'm going to add Terrell. Terrell, come and let us show you some love. All who are called Queen your head dry. Dry and that's and then dry and look. See there the scalp shine.
Dry.
It's not dry. Why are you even picking at me though?
That here, you can see the oil from here. Look where I'm sitting.
Remember me a queen enough, so when my hairdresser them get me, no matter if you look like them still have to take care of me and give me royal treatment.
Like a birdness.
You look like a bird nest. Well, whatever, look, it's mine. And I know when me, I have tall and still, so that's me. When I can't type though. But me I cool it. I all age cool it me out. Me did have pretty hair from me young, but the older I get the hair get thin.
You know, half cool in you.
Yeah, me have little China mix up. You know, I have little mix up, little flush, there's a little flash, there's a little bash. Mash them so give me some of your ear.
Me?
You like my earrings? Thank you.
She knows she wants it. I'll cut that shit off.
It like
my hair is long, you know. Yeah, the people don't know how long my hair is.
Somebody said my ear lights like my mouth. That's somebody said some old time earrings, but the man of my old time woman at 52 years my day, you know. You must think a new time me man, don't mind you.
Over half a century.
Mash coming like pitney where in a when I get no attention, mash them trouble you. You have all the
You know what? I like that one. The one that say you like a picnic that have no attention.
I done here. Mash look like full feather. Mash.
You know, I need to start read some of these things. This look like it's jokes.
Why? Queenie, use some growing eye. Jesus Christ. Mash enough body. The mash never done me.
Hold on. This is fun.
Listen. And then I say I mash. Queenie, They're just jealous cause you have ear and you.
I see somebody say something about what?
Why? Ah, Marsh,
Eh,
me nah lie. That little episode that sweet, but them done me ear.
good.
Let me tell you something.
Oh,
Marsh called me in my bed. Hug up my husband. All who I asked my husband and son I have my husband in on mind in on the bed.
you can done her hair, but you can't done the Indian
Oh
next
God,
door,
Mash,
yeah?
don't do that. Make them say Mash, please.
Why? Jay,
Mash,
more left with some
because
cool.
I haven't got none to
Jay,
stretch.
alright, then let me just pull out something cool it up and send for them now.
Ah God, Mash is so funny. He's not Portuguese.
Me? What farmer me look like
Queenie are
Portuguese?
Brazilian here and mix up China, you know. Yeah, man, mix up. Look, am I real here? This is a cream no night and I come here tin. When you notice when I have on, whenever see me in a ponytail, them have to scrape my skull with that like a fine brush. Scrape it, scrape it. That's the edge. The whole I, the whole I tin out. I edge do it. So if you don't accept yourself for what's going on, you gotta live and look stressed. Big up yourself from Canada, ha ha. I've got Canada fan.
Enjoy it.
Hello, no, we never see you in a ponytail. No, ponytail, idiot. Me use ponytail make tail, me use it make it bun, me use it make saltfish. You never see me that woolly pa ponytail them yet. No, me wear ponytail more than anything else. Go up on my space, go up on my page. I'm a call Spice and so I go with Spice. Just as another pants.